All right, guys, who wants one? Cuttlefish.
All right.
John, all right, there we go.
You know what?
Jump in there, Jimmy.
I'll give
Give it a shot. I don't know what to expect here. Let's do this thing. How about we all do it together? All right.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Cheers.
Cheers.
On three. Three. Guys, check this out. It's like fish in here.
This stuff, what is this? Where are we?
I don't think we're in Rhode Island anymore.
We don't even service Rhode Island. We're from Utah.
I think it was the cuttlefish crackers.
What is this? I don't even know what this is.
Guys, I think it's these chips. We need to eat these chicharrones.
Actually, there's two R's. It's chicharrones.
Can you say chicharrones?
Who are you talking to?
Why do they have so many fried shrimp products here?
I like pork rinds. Are those pork rinds?
I have no idea. But, I mean, if we want to get home, there's only one way to find out, right?
We haven't even gone outside yet.
Let's do this thing, guys. Take a chip. Here's for you, Chip.
Those are pretty good.
Where did everyone go, and why would they leave these here? I guess more chips for me.
Where are we? And where's Karina?
¿Dónde estamos? ¿Cómo llegamos aquí?
Are you speaking Spanish?
I didn't know I could speak Spanish. Where did that just come from? Wow.
Step. Stop.
What the heck is this? Unruly?
Those are crazy. Wow.
This is crazy.
Okay. Bye-bye. Okay.
Oh, people here say it tastes like butter.
This is good stuff.
Guys, I think it was the chips.
It wasn't the chips. We found a wormhole and teleported.
There is no way that is true. Wormholes don't even exist.
Dude, Brandon, with the gaslighting already?
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought that was like my character now. I thought I just gaslit people.
Are you guys seeing these peppers?
Where even are we? Am I the only one freaking out right now? We don't have passports. We don't know where we are.
Is this
what
a
happened?
pepper? Brown.
It's gotta be like a potato or something.
What? I don't know. Who has some chips? Oh. There we go.
Snack.
Snack man.
What do you say, guys? Should we go back home to the US of A?
Heck yeah.
Mexico's cool, but I'm
Who
ready to
wants
get
a
out of
chip?
here.
Let's do this thing. Ladies first. There we go.
Oh.
Whoa. All right. Utah, here we come.
Woo.
So, James, what was your favorite part about going to China?
John, we were in Mexico.
No, I mean before that.
Hey, I think you guys forgot this, but it looks pretty good.
In this episode of The Text, we learned that some people are super allergic to seafood.
Soy intolerante, pero Brandon explotó.
I learned that I actually like gaslighting people. Makes me feel in control.
I learned that I should at least make an effort to learn a few words in Spanish since I am Mexican.
As a fisherman, I had no idea you could explode from eating seafood.